Today, we're taking apart an old memory card reader.
At first glance, it looks simple, but inside there's more than meets the eye. Let's open it carefully and see what kind of components are hidden inside.
Old electronic parts often contain tiny traces of gold. Removing the screws one by one.
The outer shell is plastic, but what we really want is hidden on the circuit board. Here it is the main board of the card reader.
You can already see the gold-colored connectors shining under the light. Let's take a closer look.
These contact pins are gold-plated to ensure better signal and corrosion resistance.
Every tiny piece of metal, especially the USB connector and card slots, has a thin layer of gold on top. Gold is used because it's an excellent conductor and doesn't rust over time.
Even in cheap old devices, you can find a surprising amount of it.
Now I'm gently removing the USB connector. Look closely at the edges, you can clearly see the golden contacts.
Next, we'll take out the memory card slot.
This part usually has several gold-plated pins to ensure proper contact with the card.
These golden points might look small, but when collected from many devices, they really add up. Let's flip the board to the other side.
You can see more traces and connectors that have a light golden color.
These traces connect the data lines between the USB port and the memory card slot. Some of the solder points may also contain precious metal residues. Even though it's small, this little reader has valuable components. Every connector is designed for durability, and performance gold helps with both.
wondered where gold hides in electronics? This is it. Inside every port, every contact, every connector. Now that we've fully disassembled it, all the golden parts are visible. Look at that shine, it's real gold plating. We'll save these pieces for later recovery and refining. Every small bit counts when collecting gold from Ewaste. This process might look simple, but it takes patience and precision to avoid damaging the tiny parts. Subscribe for more videos as we recover the real gold from this device. There's always treasure hiding inside old electronics.